Make the woman run after you in 3 simple steps. Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a subject that interests many men: how to make a woman chase you. Many men want to have the power to attract and conquer women, and I'm going to give you some tips for achieving this. So if you want to learn how to make a woman chase you, keep watching this video. 1. Be mysterious. Women love a mysterious man. That's why it's important that you don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Keep a little mystery and keep her intrigued about who you are and what you do. This will make her want to find out more about you and will make her interested in you. 2. Don't be available all the time. If you want the woman to run after you, don't be available all the time. Don't immediately respond to her messages, don't always be available to hang out or chat. This will make her miss you and want your company more. 3. Be confident. Women are attracted to men who are confident and self-assured. Therefore, it is important that you show confidence in yourself, in your actions and in your decisions. Don't be afraid to take the initiative and show what you want. This will make her realize that you are a strong and determined man. So guys, these are the tips to make a woman chase you in 3 simple steps. Remember that there is no magic formula to conquer a woman, but these tips will help you become more attractive and interesting to them. If you liked this video, leave your like and comment below if you've already put these tips into practice. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. To the next.